So on my breakfast duty this morning, I have decided to cook a very simple recipe. Really easy, healthy, actually super healthy, and very cost efficient as well. And it might give you a chance to clear your fridge too. So this is what I'm cooking. So I got a 3-bean salad tin, and I have some celery, I have some onions, and spices. I got plenty. So watch me cook this beautiful 3-bean salad with cordon eggs. I've started with oil, about 2 tablespoons. I got some coriander seeds, black pepper, and cumin seeds, lightly crushed, okay? So that goes in. And then I got some garlic, onion, and celery together. That goes in. I'm really keeping it simple. Whatever I have in my fridge, I'm trying to utilize it. It's a very inspirational recipe. I don't think I'd have it anywhere. Okay, and then I had 3-bean salad tin in my house, and I needed to use that. I'm going to use half of it because if I put all of it, why not? We are 4 of us. I got 2 large tomatoes which has been chopped. Salt. Love adding turmeric, so that's one of my favorite ingredients. A little pinch of turmeric. And I'm adding red chili powder. If you have paprika or smoked paprika, that would even be better. So it was 1/4 of a teaspoon. So salt to taste, turmeric 1/4 of a teaspoon, red chili 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is I absolutely adore, which is coriander powder. That goes in. And I'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala as well. And the spices are done. I don't think I'll need any more. Once it's covered, we can cook for a good 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the tomatoes have kind of melted. They've started disintegrating. Just going to add about 2 tablespoons of passata. And if you don't have passata, don't fret, add a little extra tomatoes. Okay, so pretty much reached the stage I want it to be. Time to add the so I'll just drop the heat down to 2 or 3. Okay, I'll just keep it at 3 or 4 on the induction and put the lid back. And it'll take about 7 minutes, no more than that. I've kept some cheese here. If you had a pan which has got a handle that can go in the oven, will be great. I don't have that, so I'm just looking to soften the cheese rather than do anything else. We'll give another 3-4 minutes. Like the cheese has melted, the egg yolk looks pretty soft to me. What I'm reluctant to do is puncture it because, yeah, it's still a little bit squishy, and that's how I would like it to be. So I'll switch it off, and I would say, time to serve.